Hi friends, this video shows how to change speed of screensaver. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, go to system, select ambient screensaver, set settings, go down, set slideshow speed. By default this would be 1 minute. We can decrease it up to 5 seconds and maximum is 10 minutes. So let me set it to 5 seconds. Then go back, then go to top. Here you can see start now option. Using this start now option you can manually start screensaver. Let's see now it's very fast. So this way we can adjust speed of screensaver. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.